Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. In this tutorial, we will walk you through the detailed process of replacing the LCD screen, covers, and flex cable of the HP 15cs0008ns laptop. Before starting, ensure you have the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a pair of tweezers. First, power off your laptop and remove the battery to prevent any electrical damage. Next, using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the laptop. Keep these screws organized. It's best to place them in a small container to avoid losing any. Once the screws are out, use your spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious as you do this to prevent damaging any clips. After removing the back cover, locate the LCD screen connection. Gently detach the flex cable connected to the motherboard. If you're unsure about handling this delicate component, remember that we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your laptop is in safe hands. Now, carefully unscrew the screws holding the LCD panel in place. There are usually 4 screws on each side of the screen. Once these are removed, you can gently lift the screen away from the bezel. If there's any adhesive, use your spudger to help release it without applying too much force. With the old screen removed, it's time to clean the area. Use a microfiber cloth to wipe away any dust or debris that may have accumulated. This step is crucial for ensuring that your new screen fits perfectly and functions well. Next, take your new LCD screen and align it with the mounting points on the laptop. Secure it in place by screwing the screws back in. Once the screen is secure, reattach the flex cable to the motherboard. Ensure it's firmly connected to avoid display issues. Before reassembling the back cover, power on the laptop to test the new screen. If it lights up and displays correctly, you can proceed to put everything back together. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to contact us as we provide pickup and delivery at your home. Once you confirm the screen is working, carefully place the back cover onto the laptop and secure it with the screws that you removed earlier. Remember, no calls, no travel. We can assist you with any repair needs right from your home. Finally, clean the laptop's exterior with a suitable cleaner to give it a polished look. If you prefer, we can also provide a quote before repair, so you have a clear understanding of the costs involved. And there you have it, a complete guide to replacing the LCD screen on your HP 15cs0008ns laptop. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.